what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this really nice metal bed frame that I just put together. Now, I know on the surface level it may seem very simple, but this thing is actually very functional. So let me go through some of the key features on this, and then yeah, you go ahead and check it out. So the first thing is, it's not just a metal bed frame. This is a metal bed frame where you can actually attach a headboard if you want to, right? So this thing actually takes up very little space. So there's not a lot of commitment to this, whereas, you know, if you had like a much bigger bed, you know, it's sort of a marriage of some sorts. But this one, you know, you could pack it up if you need to. Doesn't take up a lot of space. And the next thing that I really like about this is underneath it actually has some pretty good storage space, right? Now, another cool feature that they add on to this is these metal slats that go across. These ones actually have a peel off ability right here, and what that does is it creates a more of a kind of a sticky surface for the mattress to lay on so that it's not sliding off, right? So obviously the mattress is over there right now. All right, so you know, once we put the mattress on, we're going to take these off, peel them back, and that's going to negate the mattress from sliding. Another thing that is on this is this sort of foam padding right here, and what that does is stops the metal from clinging against each other so the bed isn't noisy, right? But overall, I highly would recommend this metal bed frame. Very functional, very easy to put together. It took me about 25 minutes or so to put together. Very minimal pieces, and best of all of the hardware comes pre-labeled. So there was about 8 M screws, I want to say 4 or so or 6 S screws and 2 L screws. And here is the instruction manual. On the front page you have all the components, right? So it has a parts list here, and then on the back you have the steps. And you know, the assembly is very straightforward. Everything is numbered, right? So all you're doing is matching the numbered parts, and you can pretty much get this put together in about 10 or 15 minutes. It's all about 8 steps in total, so you can go into the assembly feeling pretty good. And of course, the bed frame has these 2 notches right here for you to attach a headboard if you choose to do so in the future. Also, this is a space-saving piece of furniture, whereas, you know, other beds, they just take up a lot more space. This is great for small spaces where you are hard-pressed for storage space or even just a sleep space. This is very optimal for that as well. And of course, it's metal, so this thing is really built to last. You don't have to worry about any wood or manufactured wood breaking over time. You know, this is pretty solid metal, and for sure built to last. So not a lot of hardware parts, pretty quick and easy assembly. Very strong metal. It's functional. It's got space underneath. It has some padding to make the, you know, bed less noisy, and best of all, you won't be sliding left and right on your mattress. So I highly recommend this metal bed frame. Go ahead and check it out, and I'll check you on the next review.